Present simple tense in marketing, advertising products and services. The present simple tense is an essential grammatical form in marketing when it comes to advertising products and services. This tense is used to convey information about products and services in a clear, concise, and effective manner. Let's take a closer look at how the present simple tense is used in marketing with a variety of examples. One common way to use the present simple tense in marketing is to talk about the features of a product. For example, a company advertising a new smartphone might say, "This phone has a high-resolution display, a powerful processor, and a long battery life." The company is highlighting the key features of the phone in a straightforward and easy-to-understand way. Another way to use the present simple tense in marketing is to talk about the benefits of a product. For instance, a company selling a new skincare product might say, "This moisturizer hydrates the skin, reduces wrinkles, and improves skin texture." In this example, the company is using the present simple tense to showcase the benefits of the product, which can help persuade consumers to make a purchase. Moreover, the present simple tense is also used to describe the prices of products and services. For instance, a company offering a discount on a product might say, "This laptop is now available for $599, a savings of $100. By using the present simple tense, the company is communicating the current price of the product in a clear and direct way. In addition, the present simple tense is often used to talk about product availability. For example, a company promoting a limited time offer might say, "This deal ends on Friday, so don't miss out." By using the present simple tense, the company is conveying to consumers that the offer is only available for a short period of time, encouraging them to act quickly. In conclusion, the present simple tense plays a crucial role in marketing when it comes to advertising products and services. By using this tense effectively, companies can convey information about their products and services in a clear and engaging manner, ultimately driving sales and attracting customers.